Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you already know that they're my peeps, my daddy yourself for telling the walk one for to go on, you see me? So, yo, it's kind of a good look for Chronic Lord that he got, arrested for being, in possession of firearms by a prohibited person. He's a immigrant and he never applied for the proper permission to possess or hold none of them things there. He has to wait, behind bars while he, professes innocence in court. And that's a good thing because when we look at his offense level, he's starting out with a 4, my people. And just like with Squash, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, he's going to get the lighter end of the sentence. This is my putting out the comment section where you think about that because Chronic Law, like I said, started out with a 4. Squash started off with a 20 offense level out of 43, being that Squash cooperated. The feds them take away 2 points. This is my say, and X, Y, and Z them take away a next point. So he was left with 17 out of 43. So his lawyer recommended, 2 to 3 years. This is my saying, being that, he help the feds, and, a speedy trial and everything. The feds say, yeah, we'll recommend the lighter end of the sentence and them drop one charge. Because, Squash did that face like 35 years. So them drop one charge that was like 15 years or 10 years or whatever. So, being that it's this first time and all of these stuff, them give him the 3 years. So let's go on to Chronic Law now. Chronic Law has 2 look like charges, but they look like the same thing. Possession of firearm by a non-immigrant and, prohibited person. So most likely they're going to drop one of those charges because they're 10 years apart. So at 20 years, he might look for. You see what I say? He started off with a 4 out of 43. So like I said, that's a good look. If he accepts a plea deal and avoid taxpayers' money and all of them things, them should take away a point. You see what I say? So basically, he's going to be left with an offense level of 1. 1 for, accepting responsibility, pleading guilty, helping, investigation, and, another point, for, avoiding the trial. So when I'm left with 1, the least he's going to walk away with is probation. If him have a good liar and snitching, probation. But she's not going to do that. So he's going to get like a year the most. And like I said, he can't get bail because he's a flight risk. Them catch him on jail phone. A chat about escaping and all them things then, I'm have rival gangs out here. This man says so my flight risk. So, those days might count as, take away from him time spent. But, he might get deported unless he seeks asylum. This is my say. But me just giving them a quick update while I go on for that one. Because, we don't have to wait for the traditional media outlets for run with them your news. Because we already know the things said. We be busting the news before them and them just run with filmy thing. This man says, so may I put this out now just like Squash, except in the plea deal. Such man, I gotta do the same thing too. This man says to do the right thing and subscribe to the King and turn on the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews and gossips. Bless.